Hey fellow travelers, ready to embark on an epic adventure with me? Whether you're a wanderlust soul or just dreaming of your next escape, you're in the right place. So pack your bags, or just your imagination, and let's explore the world together. Welcome to London. When looking for places to visit in London, you can rest assured that you will find a place that fits your itinerary. One of the oldest and well-known cities in the world, offers a plethora of places to visit to suit every kind of traveler. Whether you are looking to spend a lazy day in a park or want to enjoy a rocking evening at one of the many pubs, London offers exactly what you are looking for. From age-old markets and avenues to new-age concert venues and party places, London has the best of everything. The most popular tourist places in London include the cultural heart of the city, Soho, the green suburbs of Hampstead, and the royal parks like Richmond Park. Best places to visit in London. 1. London Eye. The London Eye, one of the world's tallest overhung observation wheels, offers breathtaking 360-degree views of the city. This gorgeous and unique observational wheel, also known as the Coca-Cola London Eye, has 32 high-tech glass capsules or pods inside which you can stand and whirl like a large Ferris wheel. Located on London's South Bank, the London Eye is the world's tallest cantilever wheel and an iconic figure in the London sky. This wheel attracts nearly 4 million visitors every year, making it a popular destination among tourists and locals alike. If you're planning a trip to Europe, consider including the London Eye in your itinerary as part of our exciting Europe tour packages. 2. Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace was built in 1703 for the Duke of Buckingham and has been the official residence of the British royals since 1837. Today, however, it is considered one of the most prestigious tourist destinations in the United Kingdom. A tour of Buckingham Palace delivers nothing but grandeur and exhilaration, from leisurely observation to the changing of the guards. One of the most iconic royal buildings in the United Kingdom, Buckingham Palace is the royal residential hub of the Queen of England. Notably, it crowns itself as one of the very few working royal palaces existing across the world, and it is one of the best places to visit in England. 3. Tower of London. One of the most iconic historical sites in the world, the Tower of London, is not just a backdrop, but the lead actor in various significant events in British history. The tower has other attractions, which draw non-military visitors to it. The tower's history, as a prison for various famous and unexpected prisoners, attracts visitors. The tower is now a World Heritage Site, and the most famous castle, attracting 2 million visitors annually. The enthralling majesty and historical importance of the Tower of London can be felt from the moment a visitor steps inside its grounds. This iconic historic site reveals about the most momentous tales and happenings in British history. 4. Tower Bridge. Featured in several Hollywood movies, the beautiful London Bridge is known as the world's largest antique and a worldwide famous attraction, spread over 269 meters. The London Bridge is one of the many bridges in London straddling the River Thames between Borough High Street in Southwark and King William Street in Lake Havasu City. Tower Bridge is an iconic bridge located on River Thames that has become symbolic to London. During the earlier times, it was also called Tower of London, due to a royal prison that was located inside this tower. This bridge has been built with a unique combination of bascule and suspension elements. 5. River Thames. River Thames is also known as Temesa or Tamesis in ancient times, and River Isis is the main river of southern England. The river is famous for its serene atmosphere and virgin beauty, and is an integral part of London's economy and tourism. This river is a great place for history buffs, bookworms, and adventure junkies, and exploring its surroundings will surely satisfy you and offer an exhilarating experience. Popular for its virgin beauty and serene atmosphere, River Thames is known to be one of the major attractions in the City of London. It is considered to be an integral part of London's tourism and economy as well. 6. Westminster Abbey. Westminster Abbey is a huge and prominent Anglican church at Westminster, London, that is also famous as the burial place of many notable personalities. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this royal church boasts of a rich history that lures millions of tourists every year. The Abbey also houses many tombs, statues, and memorials, thus making it a must-visit attraction in London. The Westminster Abbey is a religious building that has stood witness to the rich history and heritage of Great Britain. It is the crowning jewel of the city of Westminster in London, England. Formerly known as the Collegiate Church of St. Peter, this Gothic church has been a place of great religious significance to the monarchy. Discover its cultural allure and more as part of our enticing Europe tour packages. 7. Big Ben. Big Ben, or the Clock Tower, is the most famous landmark of London, which is popularly known for its striking clock and a gigantic bell. The formal name of Big Ben is Elizabeth Tower, formerly St. Stephen's Tower. The Big Tower represents all the four emblems of the nations of the United Kingdom by displaying a shamrock for Ireland, thistle for Scotland, leek for Wales, and a rose for England. This iconic tower is named after Sir Benjamin Hall. Since 1987, Big Ben has been listed on the UNESCO World Heritage Site. London's iconic clock tower, Big Ben, is one of the city's renowned landmarks, known for its gigantic bell and accuracy. The bell alone weighs 13.7 metric tons, usually associated with the entire clock tower of the Houses of Parliament. 8. Hyde Park. Hyde Park, located in the center of London, is one of the world's most magnificent royal parks. It hosts interesting world-class events and concerts, as well as offers plenty of tranquil spots to chill and rejuvenate. Explore the Diana, Princess of Wales Memorial Fountain, and go for a dive in the Serpentine, or simply take in the views from a lakeside cafe. Satisfy the adrenaline rush in you by playing tennis, or try horseback riding. Hyde Park is one of the world's greatest and phenomenal royal parks in central London, the historical capital city of the United Kingdom. Situated in the heart of the city. 9. Trafalgar Square. Trafalgar Square, London is a gateway between the west of the city and the city centre's main shopping district, famous for being the home of National Portrait Gallery, the National Gallery, and the famous Nelson's Column. It is the heart of London and forms the largest pedestrian square, connected on three sides of the road. The place is also a popular spot for cultural events and fantastic street performers, which can be enjoyed any time of the day. Resting at the heart of London, amidst the bustling town of Westminster, lies the country's most notable landmark, Trafalgar Square. 10. Madame Tussauds. Madame Tussauds, London is a well-known waxwork museum that houses statues of all your favorite celebrities. See the iconic wax statues of famous people right up close, and share frames with your favorite celebrities. Get the perfect photos with celebrities you've always wanted to meet. Often known as one of the most popular tourist attractions in London, Madame Tussauds is visited by millions of people every year, and has attracted nearly 500,000 tourists since its first opening. If you found this content helpful and inspiring, remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family.